Hi everyone, welcome back to another video where we are talking about sets. This is the first chapter in IB Math grade 9, and in this video we're continuing to look at the different symbols and notations that are used in sets. And today we're specifically focusing on set builder notations. Now, what we mean by set builder notations is symbols that we use in order to basically build a set or create one. So we're using these symbols to establish the limits and boundaries of a set that we have. Okay, so let's begin. The easiest one, of course, is the equal sign, which when we use it, we're establishing that whatever we call our set is going to be equal to something we're going to describe later after the equal sign. So different from other mathematical operations, the equal sign, when we're using sets, it means this name that we have for the set, this is a set of the following, right? And then we have the straight slash, and it means such that. We're gonna look at it in an example to make it more clear. Commas in sets always mean and. So we give the set a boundary, and it could have another boundary as well. So we use the comma and then describe what this other boundary is. When we have two curly brackets right next to each other with nothing inside, that means an empty set. An empty set is basically a set that has nothing in it. There's another symbol for an empty set, which is like a stop sign, a circle with a forward slash. The letter U, we haven't talked about that in the first video. The letter U, we use it for a universal set. And basically, a universal set is a set that contains everything. So if we have a group of sets that somehow connect to each other in different ways, then the set with the letter U means it contains all these sets together. And the last one we're going to look at here is the symbol here, which is like a forward sleeping U with a line under it. This means that our set is a subset of another set. Now, intuitively, the word subset, it means a smaller set. And when we have a set that is a subset of another set, it means that the elements, let's say, for example, we use it this way. We say A, and then we use this symbol, and then B. Now, what we mean by this is A is a subset of B. And practically, it means that if B has elements, let's say it has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, then the elements of A have to be some or all of the sets in B. So it can't be anything else. It can be any combination of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. It can't be anything outside of set B. So it would be like a smaller group of elements taken from set B. In this way, A is a subset of B. Okay, so let's look at an example where we actually use this. We use these symbols together. I wrote it down here. So this is A equals curly bracket X, straight slash, and then X. And we used this symbol before from the previous video. If you haven't watched it, this means this is an element of. And of course we have greater than and less than signs. I'm sure you know this already. Okay, so what is this saying to us? This is saying that the set A is a set of the element X such that X is an element of the set of natural numbers and, so the comma, and X is between 1 and 9 inclusive. Inclusive means 1 and 9 are also included, are part of it. So X can be equal to 1 or X can be equal to 9. How do we know that? Because of the symbol here. All right, this means greater than or equal to. All right, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one, where we're going to talk more about set operation terminology and Venn diagrams. So thank you all for watching. Hope it was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.